Good morning, everyone. My topic for the presentation is chromatography. Chromatography is a group of powerful separation method. It was invented by a Russian botanist. He used his technique to separate various plants pigments such as chlorophyll and dextrophil by passing the solution of this compound through a glass column packed with a finely divided calcium carbonate. The separated species are colored band on the column. So the name was chromatography, where chroma means color and graphio means writing. Chromatography generally it allows the separation of identification and determination of closely related components of complex mixtures. In all the chromatographic separation, the sample is dissolved in a mobile phase, which may be gas, a liquid, or a supercritical fluid. This mobile phase is then forced through an immiscible stationary phase, which is fixed in a column or on a solid surface. The two phases are chosen so that the components of the samples distribute themselves between the mobile and the stationary phases at varying fine degree. These components, these components strongly retained by the stationary phase move slowly with the flow of the mobile phase. On the other side, components that are weakly held by stationary phase travel rapidly. Because of the difference in the migration rates, the components of the mixture separated into discrete bands or zones and can be analyzed quantitatively or qualitatively. Classification of chromatography. A more fundamental classification of chromatography method is based on the type of mobile and stationary phases and the kind of equilibria involved in transfer of solute between the phases. Generally, there are three categories of chromatography. First, gas chromatography, liquid chromatography, supercritical liquid chromatography. Principle of differential migration. Chromatographic separation depends upon the differential migrations of the solid from a polyphase system. In extensive resolution of a mixture by chromatography, the rate of the migration of the solid relative to the flow of the solvent is a property of the system itself, but the degree of resolution of a mixture depends upon the procedure used for the migration. The distribution between the two phases, mobile phase and the stationary phase,